Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw this Triceratops skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw in the little dinosaur costume head first. So we can just draw in one line across, kind of give it a little bit of curve. And then right below it, we're just going to draw right in the middle, just draw a little angle like this. That's going to be one of the, I guess, one of the tooth. And then on the side here, we just draw two more. Okay, and then from here, we're going to come up a little bit and just go ahead and draw in. We're going to draw in one of the horns, curve like this, and then just kind of go up. Alright, and then now we just kind of draw in the whole snout area. So we're just gonna go up, just curve back down, close to where you have the tooth, and then there's gonna be the nostrils right here. Just fill in two little egg shapes. All right, and then from here, let's draw the eyes. So this one's gonna be easy. It's gonna be two egg shapes. Just kind of have it slant inward a little bit. And then for the eyes, I'm just gonna draw another one. I'll just fill it in real quick. Alright, and then from here, we're just gonna draw in a huge curve around it. So this is gonna be the top of the head. So go all the way around and just come out right around here, and we can just stop there for now. So we can finish up the dinosaur head. So here we're gonna draw the horns. So we're gonna go up on each side. And then we're going to come back down. Let's start at this point and just kind of give it a much larger base. And then from here, on the back, for the back part, we're just going to draw two little slant like this first. And then we're going to curve it all the way around. So this one should be easy. We're just following this same curve that we had earlier. And then we're just going to meet up with that. All right, and then for the little horns, this one's just going to be easy. Just draw these little humps, just kind of space them out. Alright, so that's pretty much the dinosaur head. So let's move on to the face. So for the face, down here right underneath the tooth, you can just draw a line. This is going to be your mouth. And then on the lower lip, we're going to draw a smaller line. And then for the upper lip, we're just going to shade in a little bit. And then from here, now we can draw in the face. So we're gonna just go around it. Start from here. Just try to make a nice shape here. Okay, and then from here, now we can draw in with a little hoodie area. So this one's just kind of give it a little wavy line. It doesn't have to be exact. Just kind of go all the way around. And then once you have that, then just kind of follow through and give this line some thickness. And it's cloth, so it doesn't have to be all that straight. All right, let's work on the body. And for the body, we can just kind of come down here, just kind of come straight out a little bit, not too much. It's a female, so we don't want the shoulders to be too wide. And then we're gonna come down kind of straight. This is gonna be her chest area, and then we're gonna curve it. And then we're gonna pinch it in, that's gonna be the waist. So this is going to be the waist area, and we're going to come back out a little bit. Now we're going to close it off with a belt. All right, so let's see. Now we can draw in the strap on the side. So right here, start from here, just kind of come down and just kind of pinch it a little bit and just curve back out. So we're going to come down, pinch it onto the side, and then draw another line kind of coming back out. All right, and then let's see, she's got some, well, for this one, you can draw in, just come down to the middle, draw a little line like this, and it's gonna curve. We're gonna draw one angle and then another angle. Okay, on this side, the same thing. So one, and then on the other, one more. And then once you have that, we can just finish off these little diamond shapes by doing the bottom exactly the same. Okay, and then let's see, we can draw in, let's add in a little line. It's got a little detail on the clothing. And then we can finish up the belt. Just give this a little bit more slant because it looks like the belt's a little bit lower than usual. Buckle and then some detail. Then 2 loops. Alright, so let's move on to the arm. So this one's gonna have on the side. So we're gonna come out and then here's the armpit area. So we're gonna come down here and then we're gonna draw the back a little bit and then we're gonna stop because we're gonna have to draw her hand first. So on the side here, just draw like a little shape like that. That's gonna be her glove. And now a little bit of detail right here. Just kind of connect these. So from here, just kind of go up. And then for this one, we're gonna come down a little bit more. Then we're gonna curve it and all the way to the glove. Alright, so let's move on to the other arm, and this one she's gonna be holding a weapon. So we're gonna come out and then we're gonna go this way. And then we're gonna flare it out slightly. Now we can close it off. Okay, and then now for the glove, so we're just gonna kind of pinch it in and close it off. A little bit of detail. And now for a hand, and it's a little bit tricky, so we're gonna come out. It's gonna be her thumb, so we're gonna curve it down. And then just give a little line and then draw a little curve like that for the palm. And then for our other fingers, we're just gonna go, it's gonna be 1 here, and then 2, 3, and 4. So it's a little bit small. Okay, and then from here, the staff is gonna be going this way, so we can just draw 2 lines like this for now, just to show the direction. And then we just kind of close this off for the hand. And then we can continue this line a little bit just so we can see the direction of the weapon. But let's finish up the leg first. So we're gonna come down in the middle, draw a little line. And on the side here, we're gonna curve it out, curve it in. This is gonna be her knee. So straighten it out a little bit. And then we're gonna curve it out again. It's gonna be the beginning of her boot, so we're gonna cut that off for now. And then let's work on the other side. So we're gonna come down. This is gonna be pretty much the same, but we're gonna close it off early because she's got armor on her knee. So her knee pads right here. And then in here, just draw another, like a rectangle, and then connect these, the points. So we're gonna continue this line, just kind of go out, and then in, just give a slight curve. You can close that off with a little curve. And now for the shoe, the dome, going out more on this side, close it off. So a little bit of detail. And she's got some straps here, so we're gonna draw in 1, 2, and then we're gonna continue the armor. So we're gonna just draw 2 straight lines all the way down. All right, so it's pretty much the same, shoes for all the Fortnite characters. So going to the other side, we're gonna come, just kind of, and this one's just a boot, so it's a little bit skinnier. Just curve it down all around the same area. Just close it off. Curve again, and the dome shape going out. Close it off. The details. And for the laces, it's gonna be really easy. Just draw a couple of loops like that. And then we can I'll just go this way, horizontal all the way down. All right. So that's the body. And let me add this, I almost forgot. So she's got some detail on the suit here. So from this area, just kind of draw in 2 lines like this, curve it right on the waist, and then it's gonna come all the way down. It's gonna go back up. All right, so it's like a 2-tone. Okay, so let's finish up the little dinosaur thing. So let's see, let's finish this side first since we're here already. So just keep extending it and close it off. Now we're gonna draw the little handle. We're just gonna flare it out a little bit. And then we're gonna come straight down with another 2 lines and just kind of close it off and be slightly rounded. And I'm gonna keep it simple. This is a little squeezing, little handle for to squeeze over and open the dinosaur mouth. So I'm just gonna draw a little curve like that for now. Okay, so we're gonna keep this one a little bit simpler. So all we want to do is to draw the character. So we're gonna come up, just close it off, and then flare out. Then we can close it off. And then now we're gonna come out for the jaw on the dinosaur. Okay, and then we're gonna go up just slightly. Now we're gonna come around, just come back. Then we're gonna draw a nice curve, just connecting that. Okay, and then from this curve, we'll draw in the little pivot point there for the jaw. And then from here, we're gonna come up. Then we're gonna draw the upper jaw. Now we can finish up the head. Just gonna curve it. And we're gonna come all the way out and just back down onto that. All right, so it's just really simple. And then for the eye, we just gonna draw in a big circle. And I'll just add in a little for the eyeball. And his nose just come out here, do a little dot, and then we draw a line around it for the nostril. And then let's see, he's got some spikes, so we're gonna draw one right above the eye, and then one more going this way. And then on the nose, right on top of the nose, we'll draw a smaller one. Teeth is gonna be easy, so we can just close that off, and then we're gonna go up, down, so we just kind of zigzag, zigzag. And that is it for this Triceratops skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.